Hello everyone, welcome to Russell's classroom. Today I solve this problem. Solve for x. This question is x to the power x root over x equal to x root over x power x. So what is the value of x? Now I can start. I can say easily x to the power x root over x equal to x to the power 1 dot, we know that root over x is equal to x to the power half power x. Now I can say x to the power x root over x equal to x to the power 1 plus half power x. We know that a to the power n dot a to the power m equal to a to the power n plus m. I follow this formula. Now I can say x to the power x root over x equal to x to the power 3/2. Here is x. Now I can say easily this is x and it is x. Now x root over x equal to 3x/2. Now I can say easily x root over x minus 3x/2 is equal to 0, and here is x is common, so x is common, root over x minus 3/2 equal to 0. Now I can say easily x equal to 0 or root over x minus 3/2 equal to 0, and root over x is equal to 3/2 and x is equal to 9/4. Now I can check when x equal to 0. This time I can say easily left hand side and right hand side 0 equal to 0, and when x is equal to 9/4, this time I can say this equation is x to the power x root over x equal to x root over x power x. Now I can say x is 9/4 and power is 9/4, root over 9/4 equal to 9/4 dot root over 9/4 power 9/4. Now I can say, we know that root over 9/4 is equal to 3/2. So now I can say easily 9/4 multiply 3/2 equal to 9/4 multiply 3/2 power is 9/4. Now I can say 9/4 equal to 3/2 square, and I can say easily 27. 9 multiply 3 is equal to 27 and 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8, and here is 3/2 and 9/4 is equal to 27/8 power 9/4. Now I can say 3/2, 2 and 8 cancel, so now I can say 27/4 equal to 27/3 is equal to 27/8 equal to 3/2 power 3 and power 9/4. Now I can say easily 3/2 power 3 multiply 9 is equal to 27. 3/2 power 3 multiply 9 is equal to 27/4. So here is left hand side and right hand side are equal. So now I can say easily x equal to 9/4 or x equal to 0. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.